Hello, my dear friend. Welcome back to my channel. This channel is here to help you practice listening to English before you go to bed. Here, we use healing English. That means gentle English, with warm words, spoken slowly. It is English that helps you relax. It is English that helps you sleep. It is English that heals your heart. So, as you listen, you are not only practicing English, you are also learning to rest. You are learning to feel safe. You are learning to sleep with peace. Tonight, our theme is, it's okay to slow down. Yes, my friend, you don't always have to go fast. You don't always have to push. Sometimes the best gift you can give yourself is to slow down. Every day, the world asks us to move faster, work faster, think faster, answer faster. People say, hurry up. People say, don't waste time. People say, do more, be more. But what happens when you go too fast? Your body gets tired. Your mind feels heavy. Your heart becomes stressed. Life becomes a race, and you forget to enjoy the road. Slowing down does not mean you are lazy. Slowing down does not mean you are weak. It means you are wise. It means you are listening to your body. It means you are caring for your heart. When you slow down, you can breathe. You can see clearly. You can enjoy small things. A flower, a smile, a soft breeze, a quiet night. These small things are lost when we rush, but they return when we slow down. Let me tell you a story. Two friends walked up a mountain. One friend rushed. He wanted to reach the top quickly. He ran, he pushed, he sweated. The other friend walked slowly. He stopped to look at flowers. He stopped to breathe the fresh air. He stopped to enjoy the view. In the end, both reached the top, but the one who rushed was tired, angry, and empty. The one who walked slowly was calm, happy, and full. The mountain was the same, but the journey was very different. Life is the same way. You do not need to rush to the top. You can walk slowly. You can enjoy the way. Let us practice together. Inhale slowly. Exhale gently. Feel your body relax. Feel your shoulders drop. Feel your chest soften. Now, say softly in your heart, it's okay to slow down. Again, inhale, exhale. It's okay to slow down. Sometimes we fear that if we slow down, we will fall behind. We fear that others will go ahead. We fear that life will leave us. But remember this, your life is not a race. There is no need to compete. There is no first place. There is only your pace. The turtle moves slowly, but it always arrives. The tree grows slowly, but it becomes strong. And you, too, can grow slowly and still live fully. Repeat these gentle words with me. I give myself permission to slow down. I am safe when I rest. My worth is not measured by speed. I move at my own pace. Slowing down brings me peace. Let these words enter your heart. Let them stay with you. Life is like music. If every note is fast, the song is noise. But when some notes are slow, the song becomes beautiful. Your life is the same. Moments of rest make your story beautiful. Pauses give your heart rhythm. Silence give your soul peace. So do not fear slowing down. It is part of the music of living. Close your eyes for a moment. Imagine a river. The water flows gently. It does not rush. It does not force. The river knows it will reach the sea in its own time. It is not in a hurry. It moves with grace. Now imagine yourself as this river, moving softly, flowing peacefully, knowing you will arrive. Rest is not wasted time. Rest is holy time. Rest is healing time. When you rest, your body repairs. When you rest, your mind clears. When you rest, your heart softens. So, my dear friend, please give yourself permission to rest. You deserve it. Here are some simple ways to practice. 1. Breathe deeply. Even one slow breath can calm your heart. 2. Walk slowly. Notice the ground under your feet. Notice the world around you. 3. Eat slowly. Taste your food. Feel gratitude for each bite. 4. Speak slowly. Let your words be calm. Let your heart be gentle. 5. Think slowly. Do not rush your decisions. Give your mind space. Each small step is a gift of peace. A farmer once tried to rush his crops. He wanted the plants to grow faster, so he pulled at them, but the plants broke. Then the farmer realized growth takes time. Seasons cannot be rushed. The earth moves slowly, and that is why it is strong. And so it is with you. Do not rush your growth. Trust your seasons. They will come. Sometimes when we slow down, we feel guilty. We think, I should be doing more. I should be working harder. But guilt is heavy. It does not help you. It only hurts you. So tonight, release that guilt. Say softly, I am allowed to rest. I am allowed to move slowly. As you lie down tonight, place one hand on your heart. Feel its gentle beat. It does not rush. It beats slowly, steadily, faithfully. Now whisper, my heart is slow. My breath is slow. My life can also be slow. Let this calm rhythm carry you into sleep. My dear friend, You live in a world that runs fast, but you do not have to join the race. You can slow down. You can rest. You can breathe. Remember this truth. You are not behind. You are not late. You are right where you need to be. So tonight, sleep peacefully. Let the world rush outside. Inside, let there be calm. Inside, let there be rest. It's okay to slow down. It's more than okay. It is beautiful. Good night, my dear friend. Sleep well. Sleep gently. Sleep slowly.